In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter using Mailerlite, one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms available. Whether you're an entrepreneur trying to engage your audience or simply want to share updates with your followers, newsletters are a valuable tool. Let's dive in and make the process as straightforward as possible. First, head over to the Mailerlite website. This is where you'll start your journey in creating engaging content for your audience. If you don't already have a Mailerlite account, now would be a good time to set one up. But assuming you do, let's move on to the next step. Once on the site, click on the Login button. This will take you to a page where you can access your account. If you prefer a quick login process, you can use the Sign In with Google option. This is a convenient choice if you'd like to bypass the traditional email and password input. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Mailerlite dashboard. Look for the campaigns section on your dashboard and click on it. This is where you will manage all your email marketing campaigns. Now that you're in the right place, let's proceed to create a new campaign by clicking on Create Campaign. From the options provided, select Regular Campaign. This is the standard choice for sending out newsletters. Next, it's time to give your campaign a name. Type in a name that you will easily recognize later, something relevant to the content or the specific audience you're targeting. After naming your campaign, type in a subject for your email. The subject is crucial as it's the first thing your audience will see, so make it catchy and compelling. Now click on Recipients. Here, you'll choose who will receive your newsletter. Select all active subscribers to send the newsletter to your entire list. Once you've done that, click Select to confirm. This will automatically include everyone who's currently subscribed to your updates. Then click on Next Content to proceed to the content creation stage of your newsletter. You will now find yourself in the template gallery. Browse through the templates provided by Mailerlite until you find one that suits the tone and purpose of your newsletter. Select your desired template and click Choose. You can then personalize this template to reflect your brand's identity and message. Once you are satisfied with the customization, click Done Editing to finalize the content. Finally, you're almost there. Click on Send to dispatch your newsletter to your selected recipients. With a few simple clicks, your newsletter is on its way, ready to engage and inform your audience. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and sent a newsletter using Mailerlite. Remember, with each campaign you run, you're not just sending emails, you're building lasting connections with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope your newsletters achieve the impact you're aiming for.